Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we create a border in the slide of PowerPoint. So guys, if you see, we have total 8 slides, and on first slide, I'm gonna create a border. So if you click on insert or design or transition or any of these tabs, then you will not get any options for creating borders. So like in a creative way, how can you create a border? So for that, I'm going to click on Insert tab, and here in this illustrations group, I'm going to click on Shapes, and I'll select this rectangle. Now it depends upon you if you want to create a very sharp corner border or like this round shape corners. So I'm going to select this rectangle with sharp corners, sharp edges, and I'll create a rectangle from here to here. Perfect. Now if you see, my rectangle is completely opaque. So I'm gonna change the opacity. I'll make it transparent. So for that, select the rectangle, and whenever you will select the rectangle, this format tab will appear. So you just have to click on that, and here in this shape style group, you have to change the shape fill as no fill. Now again, if you see, the borders are not that thick and the color is also blue. So it depends upon you which color you want. So just click on shape outline, and from here you can select any of the color. I'll select black. And also here you have the option of width. So you can select the options of width like this. You can increase the width of the line, or if you want to change the line type, so you can click on width, and here you can select more lines. Now just clicking more lines on the right side of your screen, this tab will appear where there's lots of options. So there's an option for compound type, so you can select the line type. Okay, so let's suppose this is the line which I want. Just click on that and this will be applied. But if you again want to increase the thickness, you can do it from here, width section. Okay, now from here you can control the transparency. If you want to make it fade, then you can control it from here, or you can also control the color from here as well, like this. And if you are done with it, just close that box and it will be done. So as you can see, we have just created a border in Microsoft PowerPoint slides. You can do it with every slides, or you can once create a blank slide with a border and you can copy it to create every slides. So this way guys, you can create a border in Microsoft PowerPoint slides. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and please subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.